The body as limitation and possibility. So our topic is human capabilities. Human capabilities are the things people can do. This includes the body, thinking, learning, and handling feelings. Even if people have limits, they can still improve and grow with important help. So, ang human capabilities daw na study kaya siya kaning mga kakayahan sa usa ka tao dito ang ilang kabuhat or anything. So, so physical limitation. The body has limits like getting tired, getting sick, or not being able to do certain physical tasks, age, disability, or illness can also affect what a person can do physically. So, ang physical limitations dapat is aduna siya mga limitasyon dito sa atong lawas. Kani sama dito sa nakapuyon ta or natay sakit. Ano siya? Sunod.
Ang sunod kay ang psychological limitation. The mind can have limits to such as fear, stress, anxiety, low confidence, or trauma. This can stop a person from trying new things or reaching their goal potential. Initially, now, concepts about limitations of sa mga limitations sa mga pag-isip, tulad ng pagkakalisa, pagkainis, pagkakapagpapag sa sarili.
Strength and capabilities. Even with limits, the body and mind have many strengths. Human can learn, adapt, heal, and improve skills. Through practice, support, and determination, people can overcome challenges and achieve goals.
Bayan dito na kahit may mga limitasyon ng katawan at isang tao sa mga maraming maaari tayong matuto, maupo, gumaling at makabuti ang mga kasanayan. Sa mamamagitan ng sanay, suportaan at tulad di maaari natin magpasa ng mga hamon at kamit ang malayo.
And morally,